Hello, 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 ladies and gents. It's me again. It's your favorite esthetician, Gigi's Beauty Compound. I am coming to you guys today on an off day, but I think you guys needed to see the hair reveal, child. You see it. You see it. Boom, boom. So, listen, you guys. Unfortunately, yesterday Atlanta had a very bad blackout storm. So I apologize for the late delay in uploading my video. But I want to thank all of my subscribers who are my ride or dies, who stick with me, who comment, who like, share, and ding that notification button. Thank you guys so much. I needed to share with you, I made a few tweaks to my hair from my last video. I had to update you guys because results is what you guys need, what I need, what we all love, right? Right. So I want to take a little quick pause and shout out Natural Nisi on YouTube, who helped me to perfect my curls and my twist outs. And I just want to give honor to another YouTuber who I absolutely love. Hey guys. So I want to let you guys know, when you are doing a rod out type of style, you want to start off with your twist out like flat twist, going from the root to the end and leaving this much space for the rods. So as you take it down, you have that nice curl at the bottom, but your roots are not going to be poofy because you caught it at the root. So of course, the first thing you want to use is freshly washed hair. Now, you can refresh your twist outs. There's nothing wrong with that. But I have found that the best results is when I just start fresh. So, you're going to start off, of course, with your hydration, your water. Natural hair loves hydration. So you want to use those products that are going to hydrate, and not concentrate it with products that have a lot of ethanol or alcohol in them, because that is going to dry out your hair. And they put that in a lot of products so that it dries quicker, on your skin or on your hair. But hydration is key. So you're always going to want to start off with wet hair. So after your water hydration, you're going to want to have a cream-based product. For my hair, it absolutely loves the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. This product is such a godsend because it helps to hydrate, and it has a bit of oil base in it, so it also gives your hair that nice shine. Love, love, love. Then, of course, you're going to use your main twist out or rod out product. And for me, it's going to be Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This is the Don't Shrink product, because for me, when you have thicker hair and it gets wet, it really shrinks up a lot. So you want to use a product that has more of like a gel base, but is used to set your twist outs. So, of course, I stand by my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink product. Then, after you have done all of it, you're going to use your hair oil. For me, I love argan or Moroccan oils. My hair responds really well to the product. So after you've done your hydration, your cream, you're going to use your hair oil products. And that's just going to help to set everything, in place for your hair. Now, if you are like myself and your hair has been color treated and you're in between those root touch-ups that you get at your cosmetologist, you're going to want to use the Style Factor product. Now, this product has the option where you can have a red temporary dye on your roots, or a gold, like a brownish gold color. Since the red is closer to the colors that I already have in my color treatment service, it just helps to blend that in even more. Now it's not it's not the kind of red where it is very bold, but it just blends really nicely, you know, into your hair. And I love this product because it's temporary, so you can constantly change your hair color if you so choose to do that. You can use it as a root touch up, and you can just do so many different options with it. So this is what you want to use if you need like a temporary hair dye service. And then, of course, after you take out your rods, you're going to just take them out by wrapping your hair around your finger as you untwist it and, you know, ravel it down. And then if you prefer, you can leave just a teeny bit of the twist out left at the root, just to kind of keep that hair from swelling up as it gets older. So once you've done that, you've separated your curls. You're going to also want to use so your very last step, just to finish off your look, you're going to want to use your edge control. Now again, I'm not artistic in the area of making those cool designs with my edges, but I do what I can. So I just do a little something on the side just to make my edges look smoother and cleaner after I've done my entire, you know, hairstyle. For us thicker hair girls, Hicks is your best friend. I use this as a pomade, I use it as an edge control, and it's really a lifesaver for me. Because unfortunately, some of the other more water-based edge controls, my hair does not respond well to them, and it doesn't keep my edges down. But this product does the trick for me. So this is what I did, you guys. You know, let me know in the comments if you like it, if you're feeling it. I know I am. I'm gonna try not to have an attitude as I go out in public, you know, and show off my curls. But I absolutely love them. And yes, I chose to put my rods like mid-level so they don't drop too fast. So as it gets older, you know, my curls will still stay intact. So I love it, and I hope you guys too. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys again for joining Gigi's Beauty Compound, and I want to thank you all so much for following me, for supporting my channel. If you guys would like to order any of these wonderful products, I am going to add my affiliate link in the description. You can purchase it using my links, and I just would be wonderful and amazed if you guys would do that. So my affiliate links will be in the description. And last but not least, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding that notification button. Thank you guys, ladies and gents, again for joining Gigi's Beauty Compound, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.